Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing a project entry that I am sending over to PewDiePie Designs. She is currently hosting an ATC challenge. I will link her channel down below. This is the card that I'm sending her, and I am doing flat mail. I use this photo play paper coal Easter basket. I always make the base of my cards really flat when I'm sending them out in the mail. This is the inside of the card. I stamped it with the greetings from Arizona. Here is what I'm sending her. A sample of my dewdrops. They are available in my Etsy shop. I'm also sending her some of the cute bunny embellishments that I made, and I shared in the Embellish With Us Wednesday. These are so cute. I love them so much. And I've made little pockets using my paper tray ink little pocket die. And these little bunnies were some dies that I picked up. And here's my ATC card. It also fits in this little pocket. That's my ATC card. I did use a little bunny stitch die. And these are some Tim Holtz words. And I used a graph die from Amuse Studios. I did add flock to this bunny. And he has a little bit of a texture on him now. And then I also added some little gems, a chipboard heart that was part of that Easter basket collection. That's the ATC card. And I did put my information on the back. I accidentally put it on upside down, which is fine. There was no way for me to peel it up because I used extra strength sticky tape because I had so many layers. So now my information's on upside down, but that's okay. And all of these fit just right in the flat card, and I made sure to layer my items so that I don't go over the thickness for flat mail. And that's it. I hope that you enjoy my entry. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.